Hello, I'm Jason Hibbard with Milton Cat Machine Sales Training. If you're interested in a skid steer loader, Caterpillar offers 7 models designed to provide low hourly operating costs and serve the needs of your business. For operations interested in a machine that is small and agile, we have the 226D3 or the 232D3. They can carry material into tight areas, power basic attachments, and are easy to transport. Both models have a 67 horsepower C2.2 engine. Depending on the machine's configuration, they weigh about 6,000 and 6,500 pounds respectively. The primary difference between them is in the loader linkage. The 226D3 features radial lift, while the 232D3 utilizes vertical lift. For applications that need a slightly larger footprint, Cat has the 236D3, with a frame that's bigger, has additional weight, a longer wheelbase, and a wider stance than the 226D3 and 232D3. If your jobs require powering high-demand work tools, loading loose or palletized material on hard surfaces, plowing snow in confined spaces, or need a jack-of-all-trades machine, one of our 4 next-generation models would be a great addition to your fleet. The 250, 260, 270, and 270XE. Engine horsepower ranges from 74 on the 250 and 260 up to a potential of 134 on the 270XE depending on the attachment connected. Operating weights go from the 250's 8,000 pounds to nearly 11,000 pounds for the 270XE. And if loading trucks is critical to your work, we offer hinge pin heights up to 133 inches. The cabs in our machines are spacious and designed to keep the operator safe, comfortable, and efficient throughout the day, regardless of the weather. They have excellent sight lines, air ride heated seats, and the availability of advanced controls, touchscreen monitors, and Bluetooth connectivity. 2-speed travel is standard on all models, and there are multiple kitting options to customize machines to your specific needs. Stop by one of our locations and let us help you find the right machine. While you're there, be sure to check out our selection of work tools. Thanks for watching.